faith in our heart, memories in our souls, let's salute the nation on Republic Day. Wishing all the viewers a very happy on Republic Day. Today on this auspicious occasion, we will be talking about some interesting facts related to our Constitution. Before starting, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Be the first to see our latest video. India is celebrating its 73rd Republic Day. On this special day, let us know some of the interesting facts about our Constitution. Before knowing these facts, we all need to know three important dates which we celebrate as a landmark event in India. First one is 15th August 1947. As we all know, it's the day where India got its independence. Second one is 26 November 1949, which is observed as a Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas. On this day, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted our Constitution. Third and the last date is January 26, 1950, where Indian Constitution takes effect all over India, and we the people of India commemorate this day as a Republic Day. Now tell me, on November 26, 1949, Constituent Assembly adopted our Indian Constitution, but our Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. The question here is, why there was a huge gap between these two days and why they did not enforce the Constitution on the same day when the Constitution drafting was completed? Let's find the answer in our first fact. Moving on to the first fact, 26 January was chosen as the date for this occasion because this was the day in 1930 when the Indian National Congress had demanded complete independence or Purna Swaraj as opposed to the Dominion status. Since then, it has been known as a Republic Day in the nation. Moving on to the second fact. This is all about Constituent Assembly. As you all know, to prepare a constitution, there was a need of a Constituent Assembly. So, first idea to create a Constituent Assembly was given by M.N. Roy in the year 1934. Where slowly on 1949, Cabinet Mission Plan came into existence and the members of Cabinet Mission Plan were elected indirectly. Initially, there were 389 members, but after the partition made in 14 August 1947, where India-Pakistan got separated, some members went to Pakistan and the remaining members were only 299. From this, Sachidananda Sinha was the oldest member in the Constituent Assembly, so he was appointed as a temporary president in the Constituent Assembly, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the president of Constituent Assembly. Along with this, normally the people remember H.C. Mukherjee as a vice president of Assembly, but this Assembly had two vice presidents, H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. And B.N. Rao was appointed as an advisor of the Constituent Assembly, where he studied constitution of various countries, prepared an initial draft for the Indian Constitution. Constituent Assembly met for the first time on New Delhi 9 December 1946. This was all about the second fact. Now let's move on to the third fact. Constituent Assembly was divided into 22 committees to perform a different function, where the most important committee was Drafting Committee, which constituted on 29 August 1947. This committee had a total 7 members. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of this committee, also known as the Father of Constitution. The main function of this committee was to draft and rectify the initial draft prepared by B.N. Rao. The draft prepared by B.N. Rao was then scrutinized and was looked after by this committee. On October 1947, this committee started its work, and on 21st February 1940, the final draft of our Indian Constitution was submitted to the Constituent Assembly. And one more important thing to be remembered is our national emblem was also adopted on January 26 when India was declared Republic. Coming to the fourth fact, where we shall study about interesting numbers that has to be remembered. From 9th December 1946 to 26 November 1949, which means total 2 years, 11 months and 18 days have been taken to prepare a constitution, where approximately 64 lakhs spent to prepare our Indian constitution. During those days, 1 rupee had more value. For example, if you had 1 rupee in 1947 and converted into dollar, then you would have $1 today. So it would be 74 or 75 rupees for today. So imagine what would be the cost of 64 lakhs for today. If you know the answer, please let me know in the comment section below. Coming back to the fact, from the first meeting to till the final draft preparation, total there were more than 2000 amendments made to prepare our Indian Constitution. The original copies of our Constitution were drafted in 2 languages, that is Hindi and English. On 24th January 1950, 284 members signed for both the copies for the final draft of our Indian Constitution. Do you all know the original text of the Constitution has 1,17,369 words and it is the longest constitution in the world, containing of 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules, and now the number of articles has increased up to 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. It would take you 15 hours to go through the Indian Constitution. Another question for the viewers, how many constitutional amendments were made till now? Put the answer in the comment section below. Moving to the fifth interesting fact, to preserve our Indian Constitution, the Constitution has written in parchment sheet measuring 16 into 22 inches, which have a lifespan of 1000 years. Finally, when the Constitution was made ready, it contained 234 pages. Can anybody guess of its weight? So it had a weight of 13 kilograms. Can you believe it? The Indian Constitution is handwritten by an Indian calligrapher named Prem Bihari Narayan Razada in a flowing italic style. The original copies are kept in special helium-filled cases in the Library of Parliament of India, with each page decorated by artists from Shantiniketan, including Behar Ramanohar Sinha and Nandala Bose. This was all about today's Republic is Special. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you really like this video and comment your view regarding this video. Let us conclude here. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.